And one place where there's a lot of snow, North Huntington, and that's where Amy Wadas is right now. Amy, what's it looking like out there? And the big question, can you make a snowball now?
Yeah, I haven't tried, but I'll have to try it here in a second. But one thing I want to mention that we've noticed, the winds have really picked up. We are live in North Huntington, Westmoreland County, and I feel like at times my hat's going to blow off. So be aware of that. Now, looking at the road, we are along Route 30 here. It's mostly slush now. Gosh, talk about a whole different story from what we saw this morning when we were out on the roads earlier. Earlier today, they were covered in snow. You couldn't even see the road. But now, like you see, it's all slush. But this is what the roads in Westmoreland County looked like earlier. The main and the side roads covered everywhere we turned. We did see a lot of plows out trying to stay on top of it all. We also spotted many people up early in Jeanette helping dig their neighbors out, cleaning the snow off cars, driveways, even sidewalks. And we even saw some folks having fun in the snow with their family pet.
This is one of my pet peeves. I love doing it. We were supposed to fly to Florida this morning from Lake Trobe, and we ended up not going. So here we are.
We'll do it all. Tubing, snow angels, hot chocolate, the whole shebang. Not known for a snow breed, but hey, he's enjoying it. But what dog doesn't?
Both of the people we talked to here in Westmoreland County say they plan on staying in. They say they don't want to risk heading out on these roads anytime soon. Now, I talked to PennDOT just a little bit ago. They say they'll continue to treat these main roads before they hit those side roads, and they do want to remind drivers as this wind continues to pick up, be aware of those snow drifts on the roads as snow could move from one place to another and fly into your car. Reporting live in North Huntington, Westmoreland County, Amy Wadas, KDKA News.